Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to call a landline using Viber. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure you have the Viber app open on your phone. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several icons. Go ahead and tap on the one that says Calls. This is where you can access all your calling features within Viber, including the ability to make calls to both Viber users and regular phone numbers. Once you're in the Calls section, you'll notice a keypad icon somewhere on your screen. Tap on this keypad icon to open it up. This brings up a numeric dial pad that looks similar to your phone's regular calling interface, and it's what you'll use to manually enter phone numbers for landlines or mobile phones that might not be in your contacts. Now comes the important part. You'll need to input the landline number you want to call. Make sure you enter it exactly as you would dial it normally, including the area code and any parentheses or spaces. For example, if you're calling a landline number, you might enter something like open parentheses 032 close parentheses space 123 space 4567. Including the area code is crucial for the call to go through properly, especially if you're calling a number outside your immediate region. After you've entered the complete landline number and double-checked that it's correct, look for the call icon. This is typically a green phone symbol or button that initiates the call. Go ahead and tap on it. Viber will now process your request and connect you to the landline number you entered. You might hear a brief connection tone as Viber establishes the call through its voice over IP system. And that's it. You've successfully placed a call to a landline using Viber. The call will go through just like a regular phone call, and you can speak with whoever answers on the other end. Keep in mind that calling landlines through Viber may use Viber out credits or require a subscription depending on your location and the destination number. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.